That bird's still over there. Just waiting on Josh to open his door. There's a mama bird over here. Oh, hi, beautiful. She's so gorgeous. It's the mama bird. Scared her last time. Didn't know she was a mama. We were like, what? Is that like a statue? What is this? She was just protecting her little babies. There's the new board. Bloop, bloop! Check it out. The sloth board. Look at the... I've been waiting to use it, and I was like, fuck it, today's the day, because this big old chip, look at this chip from last time. New deck, because this one beat the shit.
We were at the beach. Everybody had matching towels. Somebody went under a dock, and there they saw a rock. It wasn't a rock. It was a rock. Is their hose broke? Lots of trouble. Lots of bubble. He's in a jam. He's in a giant clam. Rock. Rock.
Yeah.
Rock, rock, down. Down, down.
So fucking sick. That's retarded. That's retarded. Woo! Hell yeah. Still getting it. Fuck yeah. I'm Matt, by the way.
I'm Josh.
Josh, nice to meet you,
man.
You're Nate. Fucking sick. Matt and Nate. Killing it, dude. Woo! Sick.
Let's rock! Boys in bikinis, girls in surfboard. Everybody's rockin', everybody's broken. Sitting on the fire, having fun.
Alright. Got the fucking footage. Man, what a day. It's raining now, dude. Getting free car washes out here. How's our bird is probably bummed.
Strikes to the face on the ground, and they're allowing slams to the head. If you get in a bad position, you can slam, you can heel palm, you can palm strike to the face, okay? Never has there ever been combat at, right? But in this shit, they don't give you points for that. You can lay on your back and relax. It's all about getting the kill. It's all about getting the submission, as Nathan knows. Like the white water was hovering above.
I just got hit straight in my...
Me too. I got hit in my face as well.
Dude, it looks so good. It's
Get
crazy.
out of
What
here,
a
dog.
good night. I know I gotta go. I'm like so late beyond belief, but this is...